Good thing the bite turned on. This is 2 bites in 5 minutes.
What type of sea creature do you think
Yeah,
this is?
we're thinking this might be. Oh! Oh, get the fuck.
There's a bite, dude. That's not you.
Just let him go, and then stick him, Tighten up, tighten up. There you go. There you go. We got double sharks on, yo. Whoa.
There's some drags. Drag there, son.
He's close.
Watch yourself.
This is nuts.
You're right here.
This is nuts. There's a shark. There's a shark.
Yo, you need to go under, Tan.
What do you got, Tan?
It's also tangled in nets.
That there is a little bigger brown shark.
That's a brown shark.
There you go.
Fucking sweet.
There you go.
Damn.
Look at that.
Look at that
net.
shit.
Look at that fish net. Once again.
We're
Save this
2 for 2 on brown sharks today.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. Now the action.
You gotta fight here.
Action moves to the tan
Buoy
buoy.
here. We think Sandtiger?
Yeah.
We think we got a Sandtiger on this one.
Oh, damn, he's right there.
Double sharks.
Double shot.
Double sharks. It's a species grab bag tonight.
We got Sandtiger sharks. We got brown sharks.
How's that?
That's what we do right there.
That's not bad.
That's how you catch some sharks right there.
He's
Shit,
trying to
son.
lunge in.
Alright, that's crazy. Alright, ready? Here we go. We got a pickup. A take. The fish is
Fish is slowly swimming.
slowly swimming.
Chris is going to demonstrate the circle hook.
This is how you set the hook with a circle hook. Kind of just slowly, real slow, wedge it in there, and then drive it home. We're using big, thick circle hooks. You want to really drive it home.
Might be another Sandtiger.
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's another fish. We got like mad runs in the last 2 hours. Definitely Sandtiger.
Yeah.
It's gonna be about Sandtiger number 8. It's just stupid out here right now.
The
one
sunfish
doesn't feel as
of the
big.
ocean. Yeah, that's what Chris has said.
Yeah, that's what I said every time.
He said
Every
this
time
one
they
doesn't
got
feel as
bigger.
big, and they've been like
Yeah.
8-9 feet long.
Yeah.
Oh, now he's. See, he didn't even know he was hooked. He didn't know he was hooked.
We caught these things at 200 pounds already tonight. We caught these things at 200 pounds already.
We're going for
Oh.
1,000 pounds of shark tonight.
We're looking. Oh, he's got some weight. Definitely got
Yeah,
some
he's
weight.
he's having his way with Chris. Oh, turn him.
Turned him. That doesn't
Swimming.
mean anything though.
He's swimming right.
Because then he goes and does.
Yeah, he just
Does
was
that.
like, fuck you.
We've had 3 times where 3 rods were going off.
The shark shoals just swim in.
They just.
Oh,
swim
is that a
in.
head shake?
Yeah. That was a head shake.
Oh,
There's
that's another head shake.
We're on the sharks.
We are on the sharks. There it is. That's a big tail. That's a big tail, dude. Oh shit, that's big, man. You see how big it is? Like, he's wrestling the shark. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn, dude.
Watch out! Oh yeah, dude. There you go, there you go.
Damn.
Yeah, dude.
That's huge.
That's banging, man. Dude, he's walking us far down the beach. He's walking far down the beach. He's still going. This could be a nice Sandtiger.
Oh. Roll like that.
He is holding. He is holding. You're not. It's not a ray. It's a Sandtiger.
Yeah.
Yo, put some heat on him, man. Give him the heat. You know what I mean? When he lays there, like cup the spool and then pull.
I don't put that much heat on him.
Yeah, you got to. Not like crazy heat, you know, but like enough heat to like turn him a little bit.
Yeah. Well, that did something.
Without breaking, you know. But if he runs, you gotta let him run.
I think somebody else's rod is going.
It might be yours. Is it yours? I'll take this.
Yeah.
Let's go. We got a double hook up here. I'm fighting and walking and filming. This fish is not having it. What's up? Tambooji's hooked up again?
Tambooji's hooked up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Can finish this fight.
Pretty close.
What we're doing is throwing chunks of fresh fish
Like
out into the Atlantic Ocean with big steel leaders, heavy line, and big rods.
He's right here, dude.
Yeah. This fish is close. This fish is close.
I got another one?
Oh my God, we got a triple hookup, dude. We got a triple hookup. We got a triple hookup. I'm running against this fish. We got a triple hookup. Oh my God. What do we, yo, we got a triple right now? Are we tripled up right now?
Dude, the one broke can at is so super tight.
Oh. You wanna film? He's like, this is a nice Sandtiger, man. This is at least as nice as the other one. Alright. Yo, get in there.
I'll get him next time.
Got a chance. Backwards. Here it comes.
Oh my God, look how big it is. You're good. He's not moving over.
That's a nice brown shark. That's nice. Damn, Chris. That's big.
Oh man!
Like 8 foot, man. Oh my God.
Shine your light on it. There it is.
This thing is like 8 foot.
Got me good.
We got brown sharks. We got Sandtiger sharks. Alright, there it is. It's recording and it's focused. Check that Sandtiger down.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, sorry, take the camera, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that fucking Sandtiger shark. Yeah, you want to grab this camera? I'll go. Yeah, you gotta lug them in when the water, That's a 200-pounder, dude.
That's a nice one, yeah. Dude. Look at that shark. Look, we got we got 2 sharks.
Not that for a while.
Yeah, man, look at that thing. That's a nice Sandtiger. Let's get the tape measure.
That's good, dude.
Yeah, leave him right there.
Yeah,
Here, yo, Michael, come grab this rod. Someone's gotta grab that front. I'll grab the back. Yo, dude, was bottom of the tail is 88 inches.
88 inches.
88 inch Sandtiger.